Hi, today I'm reviewing Galaxy A03 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and just drag it to another one. This is the simplest way how we can create a home screen folder. So also we got one more way how we can do that. Just hold for a while the application, tap to select, and for example select two or more the applications and tap on the right upper corner to create folder. So now as we can see we got two different the same just folders on our home screen. If you want to add here more applications by the same way, click here, open the folder, click to the plus and select the wallpaper, the applications which you want to add, then just tap to them. Or also you could just add them by the same way, just by hold and drag it to the folder. So to remove the application from here, you should hold it and tap to remove icon, or also you could just hold it, select for example two different applications, create the new folder or just to remove them. Also just don't forget that you could give a name to your folder. Just click here on the name to rename it or to give a name, and for example enter the apps, tap to done, or also you could hold it for a while, click here to the edit icon and by the same way just to remove it. Just also we can change the background of this folder. For example, let's use this one, tap to done. As you can see, that's so simple. To remove all of the applications with the folder together, hold it and tap to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.